Innovation's a journey we take, not just a shift, but a step we make. We look ahead, past the unknown, where the future's roots have grown and grown. Motion's not enough. It's value we seek, turning ideas into warmth that speaks. Every change has a reason clear, to build a future far and near. New methods, new ways to see, connecting minds, setting us free. Digital and real, both unite. A step ahead, the world ignites. Pioneers, we push the line. What we imagine will define. Partners in this boundless quest, building a tomorrow at its best. And when we join our every might, we gather strength and shine so bright. This is how we stay true to our vocation, born to be innovators by nature.